So for Polycom, our traditional base has always been in the real high-end immersive studios, big dedicated meeting rooms, and what we're seeing is a drive from the markets as the newer type of users are coming into the organization. They're demanding more flexibility and demanding different types of applications to be able to collaborate and communicate together. And whilst there is still a need for those big traditional fixed meeting collaboration spaces, we're seeing a rise in this more flexible bring your own codec idea where a user, a millennial user or a rogue IT user doesn't want to be nailed down to using a set system, will come in with their laptop and want good audio, good video from a single cable to plug in that meeting space. When you're talking about bring your own codec, it's got to be plug and play. You're going to be coming into the meeting room probably late for your meeting. You don't want to be sitting there faffing around installing drivers, plugging in cables because the meeting's already 5-10 minutes gone. So it's got to be plug and play, it's got to be easy, it's got to be simple for people to be able to self-serve and to be able to set that up themselves. And one of the interesting things, if you're talking about a USB device, it's typically a self-service device. One of the things that we're trying to bring into that space is all of our enterprise capability. So being able to centrally manage it, being able to do all that admin centrally. So although it is a USB peripheral at the end of the day, how can we bring the IT admins able to maintain it, manage it, update it, get all the logs and do all the general day-to-day maintenance without having to go around 50 or 100 huddle spaces and individually updating them. The word huddle space or the term huddle space is, I think, one of those misused terms. It can be anything from one of these like booths that you see which are acoustically treated and for 2 or 3 people sitting down to a very small meeting room or actually just an open plan space. The thing for us though is the audio capabilities, the video capabilities, and it's not necessarily the in-room experience, it's what the far end sees. In many cases, when you're viewing something back on your laptop, to the near end it's okay, but what about to the people on the far end? Are they going to get great audio? Are they going to be, sorry, what did you say? Sorry, I can't quite see you. The ability to frame, track, and give great audio and a great experience to the far end is something that we're really trying to bring in with these new solutions that we're bringing out for this space.